These AI road maintenance videos are blowing up on Instagram right now. I saw one with 132 million views, another with 36 million, and another with 34 million. This might actually be the viral wave of 2026.
Wow.
And listen, if you catch a wave early, you ride it. You don't sit on the beach eating snacks. So don't waste time. Start making these videos now. Most people still have no idea how this works. And if you want more tricks like this, just hit like and let me know. Now, grab your coffee, tea, or whatever keeps you awake, and let's create this step by step. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Grow with Chesh. Future you will thank you. Step 1. Get the road image. First thing you need to do is go to Pinterest and search for a road or street image. You'll see many pictures, good roads, bad roads, roads that look like they need therapy. Just click one you like and save it to your device. Step 2. Upload to Gemini. Now log into Gemini, click the plus icon, upload the image you downloaded. I already made a Google Doc prompt file for you. The link is pinned in the first comment. Open that file and copy the first prompt. Go back to Gemini and paste it. Before generating, click Tools and select Create Image with Nano Banana. Then click Generate. Gemini will create an image that looks exactly how we need it. Download that image. Step 3. Create the second image. Now click the plus icon again in Gemini and upload the image you just downloaded. Go back to the Google Doc file and copy the second prompt. Paste it in Gemini, make sure Nano Banana is still selected, and generate again. Boom! You'll get the second image you need. Download both images to your device. Step 4. Animate images using Flow. Now we turn these images into animation using Google V3 through Flow. You can use other tools, but honestly, Flow does it smoother. Open Flow and click New Project. Change Text to Video into Frame to Video. You'll see two plus icons. Upload the first image, the bad road, as the first frame. Then crop it and change the format from landscape to portrait. Click Crop and save. Now upload the second image as the next frame and crop and save again. Now both frames are ready. Go back to the Google Doc and copy the third prompt. Paste it into Flow, and before generating, open Settings and select VEO 3.1 Fast, which uses 20 credits per video. Leave output at 1, then click Generate. Flow will start cooking your animation. Let me show you how it looks before moving on. Step 5. Create the finishing animation. Next, we create the finishing animation. Upload the second image again as the starting frame. Then upload the original Pinterest image as the end frame. Go back to the Google Doc and copy the last prompt. Paste it into Flow and generate again. Once the animation is ready, download it in 1080p. Step 6. Combine videos in CapCut. Now, the easiest step. Open CapCut and import all the clips from Flow. Drag the first clip into the timeline. Then add the second clip. Then add the third clip. Adjust everything so it fits the screen properly. And done. That's literally how these viral road repair AI videos are being made. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.